What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What's your nationality?
I am American.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading and hiking.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love to travel.
What sports do you play?
I play soccer and tennis.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.